Bilfinger.
At Bilfinger, we want to become your #1 solution provider in efficiency and sustainability. We know the challenges in the industry when it comes to the decrease of technical specialists and a shift to production-focused strategies. Our solution: a dedicated multidisciplinary team that integrates seamlessly with yours, stationed right at your side, ensuring immediate access and familiarity with your people, culture and standards. With offices throughout Europe, our on-site teams are backed by Bilfinger's office-based experts, ready to tackle any project challenge, from permitting to asset management. We're not just about placing engineers, we're about building relationships and providing tailored solutions that adapt to your unique needs. Our approach has proven effective, starting small and scaling rapidly to meet demand, all while maintaining competitive rates and high-quality standards. Every client is unique, and we're ready to meet with you to craft a framework that fits like a glove. I'm Aart-Jan Smit, responsible for site support. Let's discuss how we can customize our services for you. Contact me to schedule a meeting.